Hello everyone, I'm Zia. Today I will show you how to add a new key for 2017 Cadillac XT5. We need to use K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, and a new smart key produced by our Lonsdor. Now let's plug in the OBD communication cable.
First we choose to generate smart key. Cadillac. Find XT5. Select the menu of 433 frequencies. Put our key in the card slot. Click Generate. OK. No need to continue generating. Select Cancel. Return to main menu. The second step is to select Demo and Remote. Cadillac. China. XT5. Select the menu for 2016 to 2019. Smart key. First we read the PIN code. PIN code reads successfully. OK, then we choose to add smart key. Press the Start button. OK, put the smart key that needs to be programmed into the sensing area. Click OK when done. The PIN code is automatically entered. OK. OK, configuring system. You need to wait about 10 minutes. Press the Start button. OK. No need to program the next one. Click Cancel. Turn off the ignition. Make sure the ignition is off. After clicking the OK button, press and hold the Start button for 12 seconds. Release the Start button. Click OK. Long press the Start button. Turn on the ignition. Turn off the ignition. Make sure the ignition is off. Hit the brakes. Press the Start button to start the engine. Turn off the ignition. Make sure the ignition is off. Remove the key. Press the lock button. And unlock. There are no other keys that need to program. Click Cancel. Program complete. OK. After programming, let's try it. Can the original car key and the new key start the vehicle normally? New key. Step on the brake and press the Start button. The new key starts the car successfully. Try the original car keys again. Hit the brakes. Press the Start button. The original car key starts the car successfully. Let's try the remote again. New key. Lock the car. Unlock. Original car key. Lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
That's so easy. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.